guys, what's up? What's up? This is your host for today. My name is Jay, and just like what I promised, I'll be giving you the proof for the payment. So let's check it out. So as you can see on the screen, nagkamali kasi ako. So ang pending payout ko lang, if you could look at it, it's 18.46. Hindi ko kasi siya pinocus, so yun lang yung na-pending na payout ko. Nagkamali kasi ako kanina eh. Dapat today is Wednesday, by the way. So every Wednesday yung payout. Dapat mamaya pang gabi. Kaya lang hindi ko siya na-payout ko siya agad. So ayan, 18.46, konti lang, 'di ba? I'll try next week kung hindi mag-deck siya. So 2 days from now, we'll see if this will be credited to my PayPal account. Okay? So let's see.
2 days later.
Okay guys, ito na nga. Mag-try tayo mag-login to check kung nakita or kung pumasok na yung sweldo natin from Humanatic to PayPal. So, by the way, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you'll be updated on our future video uploads, okay? Okay, check ko lang yung payout natin for how much. Para sure. This is 2 days ago, by the way. Alright, hanapin ko lang. Okay, ito siya. As you can see, it's $18.46. So, $18.46. So, check natin kung may fees si PayPal, which is, lagi naman may fees yon. So, check natin kung magkano yung makukuha natin. $18.46. So, we'll try to log in. Just minimize that. Log in. Okay, check muna natin kung anong oras na ngayon. So, this is time in Manila, 6:48 a.m. So, usually pumapasok yung sweldo from from Humanatic is around 2 a.m. So, 2 days after mo siyang i-payout. So, ako nakita ko lang siya ngayon kasi nakakagising ko lang. So, 6:48 a.m. Let's try to log in. Oh. Mali. Mali agad. Mali yung email. Sorry. Okay, let's try. Try it again. Okay, we'll check. There, so $18.09. So from 1846, may charge si PayPal. Let's check kung magkano. $18.46 minus 18.09. So ayan guys, so 37 cents or $0.37 ang kinuha ni PayPal from sweldo natin. So, by the way, si Humanatic, company name niya is Century Interactive. We'll check kung siya yung nagpadala. Alright, it's there. And then you can click on activity to make sure. There. So, it's payment received. So, this, by the way, this time is in CST. As you can see, yan, 18.09 siya lang ang ko dyan, ang payout ko dyan kasi this is a newly created account and newly created PayPal. So, I'm just wanted to show you guys that yes, kumikita nga tayo dito sa humanatic.com. So, kung finocus nyo lang siya, mas mataas yung, or kung finocus ko lang siya, mas mataas yung kita ko dyan per week. So, but in any case, still, that's money, so it's all good. let's go back to summary. Kung gusto mo siyang i-withdraw, you just have to click on transfer funds. And there, you have an option to transfer to your bank. With an if it's instant, there's a fee again, 1% of the total amount. Mura lang yun. So, transfer mo siya sa card mo na nilink before. Diba? I taught you guys how to link your debit card or credit card. So, it's the same. That's gonna be what you will see there. The card number you will see there. That's your own card. So, just click on one and then click on next. And that's it. So, for if you want it to be the standard option naman, which is 3 to 4 business days, yeah, you could use this option. 50 pesos naman ang charge niya. So, mas okay siguro, mas okay to for me kapag less than 7,000 ang wini-withdraw nyo. Mas mababa siya yung 50 pesos. Kesa, mas maganda naman kung sobrang laki naman yung withdrawin mo, mas okay yung first option kasi 1% lang siya. For example, nag-withdraw ka na 1,000, so 1% doon may 10 pesos na charge. So, not bad. So, let's check. Yeah, those are the two options that you can use to withdraw your funds from PayPal. So, as you can see, guys, it's really a legit work online, which is so easy. All you need to do is just, listen to calls and categorize it based on the options given. Yan, so you do have an option here to make your primary payment or primary currency to US dollars or Philippine currency, Philippine pesos. So this is my account. As you can see, bagong-bago siya. This is what I showed you guys a while ago, right? We created this account. We created the PayPal account and the Humanatic account. It's a newly created account which we worked on for a week. Like, mostly, nag-work lang ako for like 2 to 3 hours per day or 1 to 2 hours per day. So, kung gusto nyo, ganda to. Thank you for listening, guys, and this is your host once again. This is Jay, and you're watching J Car CJ Vlogs. And thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more video uploads. Just chill. Bye bye.